What's up, YouTube? It's Traveling PA Scratcher. Got a couple $2 Payday tickets and the Win Big $10 ticket, Diamonds and Gold, and the $25, I think it's 200x the money. So in this video, we're going to do the Paydays and go from there. I'll probably show them all, regardless of the outcome. Although the way it's been going on this job, they're all going to be losers. Alright, I have not played this $2 Payday. Well, the whole ticket in general. So you're looking for, it looks like 2 money rolls for the double, or the win all, or it's a matching numbers. And it's a 1 in 4.66. Alright, so we got 5 of them. So hopefully we got ourselves a winner. We got tickets 80 through 84. Alright, let's see what we find. 11, 26, 10, 21, 1, 23, 7, 13 and 14 and 28, 27 and 6. Don't see anything there. Alright. Next one. Let's look at the numbers. We need a 10 or a 2. Actually, down here, I think the best I did on anything was I bought 10 bucks worth of $2 tickets and won 20 bucks on that. I don't think I showed it, but other than that, they've been taking me to the cleaners. See if we can turn it around in this session. 10 or 2. Don't see it. Alright, next ticket. 21. Have found a couple 20X's. I meant to show a reveal the other day on a $10 ticket. It was a 20X with a match. It was a $1 under the 20X and a $5 for a $25 win. So not too bad on a $10 ticket, but not too good when you see the 20X with a dollar under it. But what are you going to do? 25 and 14. Don't see a winner there. When I picked these tickets up, I took all my losers up there and scanned them. Was hoping I missed something, but I didn't. 12 and 4. 17, 26, 11, 1, 18, 28, 23, 13, got a 3 and an 8. Got a 13 and 18, doesn't help us. Alright, 1 in 4.66, right? So this should be a winner. What are the prize amounts? 5 grand, that'll work. 15. 3. 15. Not a win all. Well, be a pretty retarded win all, but hey, with a 5 grand up there. Another, what was that, 20 grand? There you go. Can't get the win all if the top prize is in the mix. 4, 5, 25. Alright, what do we got? We need an 8 or 24. Nope. 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 And nope. Last row. Hey! Oh shit. Alright. Money back. We spent 10, got 10 back. So it ain't gonna be this. Maybe we can get this. Oh, a doubler. Shit. Nice. 20 bucks. What's this? Anything else? No. Nice. I should stick to the $2 tickets. The 24 for 10 and the doubler, $20 winner. Spent 10, got back 20. Take it. Alright, I'll show you these other videos coming up. See you later.